हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम गौरव एंड यू आर वाचिंग मूवी रिव्यूज ब्लॉग। इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं विक्रम का, जिसे लोकेश कनगराज ने डायरेक्ट किया है। आई वाज सो हाइप्ड अप फॉर द फिल्म एंड फिल्म डिड नॉट ओनली लैंड ऑन माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस बट इवन एक्सीडेड देम। If you loved Managaram and Kathy, then you should know that Lokesh has gone absolutely bonkers this time. On the day of release, Lokesh Kanagaraj mentioned that you should watch Kathy before getting into the world of Vikram. Now that shot my expectations even higher. I heard earlier about the speculation that he is making his own universe, but after the official confirmation, my expectations were sky high. My first thoughts after watching the film was that it is my favorite film of the year so far and it is a masterpiece to say the least. Film begins with a series of killings. Amar, played by Fahad Fasil, is assigned to investigate the case. While he is investigating the case, there is a big series of revelations which I am not going to talk about in the details. Those revelations cause a ruckus in the film and what happens after that makes out for the rest of the film. Lokesh is known for making films with taut narratives. मानागरम आप देखते हो तो उसका फाइनल एक्ट पूरी एक रात में सेट है। अगर आप कैथी को देखते हो वो तो पूरी फिल्म ही एक रात में सेट है। इट्स कमेंडेबल हाउ ही डज इट एवरी टाइम। He is a big fan of Kamal Haasan. I mean, who isn't? He presents him in such a way that a superstar should be presented, also getting a brilliant performance out of him. Even the final act of Vikram is set during a single night, and Lokesh pulling it off once again just proves one thing, that he is going to be one of the biggest directors in upcoming years. Interval block is banger. There is one home invasion scene as well, and you just cannot miss that stuff. Now coming to the final act, it is absolute madness. There is cannon, there is machine gun, and Kamal Haasan is in beast mode. You have watched the climax of Kathy, right? Now imagine that climax on steroids. The scenes going back and forth between Kamal Haasan and Fahad Fasil are brilliant. And the way he connects Vikram to Kathy is impressive as well. And क्योंकि डायरेक्टर ने ये रिवील कर दिया था कि फिल्म में सूर्य का स्पेशल अपीयरेंस होने वाला है, so I can talk about it. He delivers a nerve-wracking performance. क्या डेडली लुक है, क्या परफॉर्मेंस है, बिल्कुल कमाल कर दिया। फिल्म के परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में बात करते हैं। कमल हासन, विजय सेतुपति, फहद फासिल एंड सूर्या की एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस, सच ग्रेट टैलेंट्स इन वन फिल्म. And one thing worth talking about is how the scope of everyone in the film is equal. कमल हासन की ये कमबैक फिल्म है एंड यू नो देयर कैन नेवर बी अ बैड कमल हासन परफॉर्मेंस. ही इज ब्रिलियंट हियर एज वेल. विजय सेतुपति का मेनेसिंग लुक एंड कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में एंड ही इज पिच परफेक्ट इन हिज रोल. फहद फासिल इज पावर हाउस ऑफ एक्टिंग एंड ही प्रूव्स इट वंस अगेन विद दिस फिल्म. There are so many amazing actors in the star cast to name and I believe everyone has played their part really well. Action sequences are thrilling and well executed. Guns हैं, combat sequences हैं and they are shot in a manner to give you the best experience. फिल्म में raw element भी है, फिल्म में commercial elements भी है and फिल्म में violence भी है. So Lokesh pulls it again without a doubt. Praiseworthy mention for cinematography as I was really impressed with the way film was shot. Overall, Lokesh Kanagaraj delivers once again and Vikram checks all the boxes right for a commercial thriller. I am really excited to see how this universe expands further. My rating for film is 4.5 stars out of 5 and फिल्म आपके नज़दीकी सिनेमा घरों में लगी हुई है. अगर आपने फिल्म को देखा है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ आपको फिल्म कैसी लगी. So thank you for watching the video guys. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Make sure to follow on Instagram and Twitter as well.